This is True Balance and True Level. Two metering plugins featuring Sonible's intuitive interface design and data-driven analysis. Compare your creation to a vast range of reference options. Keep your focus on crucial readouts and gain clear insights. True Balance is all about achieving a well-balanced mix. Meet listening expectations with spectral references. Or go for sonic consistency by loading up to 8 reference tracks. Keep an eye on your stereo image and mono compatibility with the channel data section. True Level is an intuitive loudness metering plugin that focuses on the interplay of loudness and dynamics. Compare the dynamics of your mix to a genre reference and ensure that your track complies with the loudness specifications of different publishing platforms. Get clear advice on how to improve your sound with the level and balance checks. True Balance and True Level. Level up your mix.